So this is the roof on the 05 STI, Raleigh Blue. It's been sun dried.
Okay, do your shit first.
Then we're gonna be wrapping with that kind of a vinyl wrap, but it has a carbon fiber etched into it. So second step, we already it has balls. It needs some attention. The rest of the car looks great. If I ever zoom in right. There we go. Look at that. Gotta love those fucking BBS's. No, I'm gonna be replacing them. Gotta keep them though. Look good.
Good set of track wheels.
Track wheels. Not trap. Track. The one good headlight. He got hit in the eye.
Motherfucker, a pirate.
He a pirate. Pirate Subi. Pirate Blue. Hashtag Pirate Blue. So this is the vinyl we're using. Let me get up close. Has that carbon fiber etched to it. No, it's not real carbon fiber. Got the fake shit. 5 foot. 5 foot by 6 foot, I believe. So, as you can see, we didn't get a chance to film the actual install of the wrap on the roof. But as the clips show, it turned out pretty decent. I can really say that being the first time, there's a lot more I want to learn how to as far as applying vinyl wraps. It turned out decent. It had some air pockets. But over time, the heat from the sun actually, I think it laid it out pretty well. So check it out. Want to give a shout out to Wickedly Boosted for the partial sponsorship. They supplied the decals. One of the biggest ones that I chose was the Financial Mistake. Everyone knows project cars, passion cars, or anything that deals with loving something greatly necessarily isn't a financial gain. So I needed to put that on the car. So again, I want to say thank you for viewing. Like, subscribe, comment. I'll get more footage out there. As always, built and made. Peace out.